Today I am going to show you how I am going to treat a patient with cervicalgia. That is the pain which comes in the shoulder joints, and as a result of which the patient's movements are very painful and restricted. We will show you how we do the acupuncture treatment here.
Cervicalgia, commonly known as neck pain, can be caused by factors such as poor posture, muscle tension, or stress. During an acupuncture session, hair-thin needles are gently inserted into specific acupoints along the body, including the neck and shoulders. These acupoints are carefully chosen to address the root cause of cervicalgia and restore the body's balance.
Hi, I have come to see Dr. Sadiq because I've had some shoulder pain and stiffness and neck pain for a couple of months now. This is my third session now with the acupuncture, and I immediately feel after every session about at least 70% improvement. Usually when I do different treatments, the pain is recurring, so it keeps coming back after a couple of days, but Dr. Sadiq's treatment for sure hasn't made that happen. So far so good. Really recommend the treatment with Dr. Sadiq.